everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Today is Kit Day, and we will be revealing the newest Softlex Company design kit, Enchanted Forest. And if this kit is still available, I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description, as well as a link to my tutorial playlist for all creations I made with this design kit down below in the description for any other Softlex Company design kits that are currently available or any leftover bead mixes or special items that they have from their exclusive mix. And before we see what's inside our wonderful kit, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. So in this kit, we're going to have our Softlex wire in a lapis. We have silver for our findings, and there is a teeny tiny ceramic butterfly bead, your Jesse James bead mix, a custom bead mix, and a fairy button. Those last three items will be available on the last Wednesday of the month, just in case you want to add in a few more extras to your design kit. And we have exclusive items, green flower ceramic beads, a pewter dragonfly, some Czech glass bead mixes, emerald square, and then a two-tone purple satin fire polish. So super excited to see what is in this kit. Softlex kits are just fantastic. You can see how beautifully they're packaged. You can even use the ribbon as part of your design for like your necklace or part of your tassel. They're just a wonderful item either to gift to yourself or perfect to give as a gift. So let's open up our wonderful design kit. So this is everything inside of our Enchanted Forest kit. We have our findings in silver, so 2 pairs of ear wires and your lobster claw. 20 silver 2x2s. This is kind of your foundation to hold everything together. We have our Softlex wire in the beautiful lapis color. We have our exclusive Jesse James speed mix. I just love these little containers that they come in. Perfect for extra bead storage, or if you just have a few beads left over from the design kit, it's a great storage for them. And then we have some of our exclusive items. There is our green flower ceramic beads, our pewter dragonfly, a Czech glass bead mix, Czech glass green emerald squares, and a 14 millimeter Czech glass two-tone purple satin fire polish. It looks like we have some ceramic little butterflies in here as well. How adorable. And it looks like a little fairy pendant. Let's look at our Czech glass. So pretty. These are our 14 millimeter beads. How beautiful. I think these were on the Softlex Company live sale about a couple months ago, but it's really rare to find larger sizes of Czech glass. So if you love all things Czech glass, be sure to check out the Softlex Company live sales on Thursday at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern. Just how beautiful. Very intricate. They're faceted. Just the work. Really a handmade piece of art, every bead. And then you have your little emerald squares. These are neat. Kind of like a little specialty glass bead. And we have like a little lantern bead. It's like a little rondels, kind of matte on one side, iridescent. So pretty. And then we have this beautiful teal, kind of like an aqua green color table cat bead. So pretty. That's just a gorgeous bead mix altogether. Little table cuts and these little purple ones. And of course, these here are your fire polish. So beautiful. So just a really enchanted color mix. Here we have some ceramic beads. These are just beautiful, like the little emerald flowers. And they're ceramic, they're handmade. And I'll go ahead and link all the other ceramic beads that are on softlexcompany.com. And they have a really large hole. So you can go ahead and make a stretch bracelet with these and then tuck the knot right underneath. So you don't have to use any glue or specialty findings. So pretty. Oh, the little butterflies are adorable. We'll look at the little butterflies in just a moment. We have our exclusive dragonfly. You could always use like little paints or something to kind of give some more color and embellishment to your pendant. And then we have this beautiful, it says it's a button, little fairy button, but you could use it as a pendant. This is from Green Girl Studio. How beautiful. Very detailed. So cute. Then you have all these little butterflies. I think the butterflies and the check glass are my favorite so far, but we still have our Jesse James bead mix to look at as well. So cute. So you get 5 little butterflies, probably an assortment. They're so cute, very detailed. That's gonna look so cute with the fairy. And last but not least, we have our exclusive Jesse James bead mix. So fun. Beautiful table cut beads. You have to have sparkle. These are cute, these little flowers, kind of like a little AB finish. We have some leaves, some spacers. These are really pretty. These gotta have a little weight to them. They're just little metal spacers. So cute. Some super sparkly beads. Maybe if you wanted to make a sun catcher with that little fairy pendant, you can. And these are really unique shape. They're like a little faceted oval. That's cool. And then some of these little purple beads. These were in the Great Bead Extravaganza Carnival bead mix that were super fun to create with. And we have some bicones and kind of like a pink or a light amethyst kind of blended color. And then you have some more little spacers as well. So you really do get a lot in this bead mix and this design kit. And if there's any extras still available, I will go ahead and link them down below, as well as all the other information for the new and upcoming kits that they have on softflexcompany.com. Such a fun bead mix, and I can't wait to start creating with it. And I will go ahead and link down below in the description the tutorial playlist for the Softflex Company Design Kit, Enchanted Forest. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below for all the products shown in this video and upcoming tutorials. Have an awesome day.